experiments, why Mendel is known as father of genetics, and their experiments. In this video, we will discuss about this. Firstly, I say that Mendel's selected Mendel selected 22 types genotypes of P for his experiment topic. Mendel experiment. Second point is a very important. Mendel's experiment on 7 contrasting characters of P. Okay, first point is very important, and this point is many asked in the competitive questions, in which the followings of how many genotypes selected Mendel for his experiments. This answer is 22 types of genotypes by selected Mendel's for his experiments. And second point, Mendel's experiment on 7 contrasting characters of the P. Okay. Third, very important points, why Mendel is selected Gardens P for his experiments, why not selected other any crop. Okay. Point is why Mendel selected Garden P, not only Garden P for his experiment. Why Mendel's is not selected other crops for his experiments? Friends, in this topic we can say Mendel was lucky, and P has many special properties, like it is short duration crop. It is short duration crop. Okay. Second, it has large size of flower. It has large size of flower, which is facilities in emasculations, pollination, and also hybridization. Okay. And fourth point is it has it is fully self pollinated crop. It is fully self pollinated crop. Okay. And last point is it is easily available. It is easily available. Okay, there are many points of the related to why Mendel is selected garden pea for his experiments. There are many points. It is short duration crop. We can grow the pea seed in 1 to 2 times in 1 years, and it has large size of flower, which is facilitates in emasculations, pollinations, and hybridizations also. Okay, and it is fully self-pollinated crop, and last is it is easily available. And one point is that uh, it has it has large size of large size of seed. There is there is no problem in germination, because it is resistant to environmental factor. These factor affect the germinations of seed, because this seed is a very large size. Okay, friends, next topic we talk about 7 characters of the Mendel's experiment. That is, friends, you know about characters. Any property of an individual showing heritable variations known as characters or traits. Okay, first, you know that Mendel selected 3 parts of plant for his experiments. That is, first column is parts of plant. Okay, parts of plant, and second column characters, and third, you know the expressions of characters in the 2 forms, that is dominance and recessive. Okay, first, dominance and recessive. Okay, recessive, the characters which are expressed in F1 known as dominance character, and the character which are suppressed known as recessive character. Friends, with the help of these tables, we know that about Mendel's experiment and 7 characters. Okay, first, seed. Okay, seed. Seed, first, shape, character shape. Okay, dominance is round and recessive is wrinkled. Friend, you can see, yeah, you also see 2 types of pea seed, that is round seed and wrinkle seed. Okay, rounds, mostly of the seed of pea is a round, and some are wrinkled. Okay, so there is dominance form is round and recessive form is wrinkled. Second, color, cotyledon color. ठीक है, cotyledon color. Cotyledon color is dominance form yellow and recessive form is green. Sorry, recessive form is green. You see the because pea is a dicotyledon plant, have a 2 cotyledons of the seed, and that is a cotyledon's color is mostly yellow and some is green. So dominance form is yellow and recessive form is green. Okay, third, seed coat color. Seed coat color, their dominance form is gray and recessive form is white. And second parts of plant is pod. First, pod shape. their dominance form is inflated, and recessive form is constricted, constricted. Okay, and second, color, their dominance form is green and recessive form is yellow. And third is positions of flower, positions of flower, positions of flower. That is, dominance form is axial, axial, and recessive form is terminal. Okay, and last character is stem, part of stem is length, length. That is, dominance form is tall and recessive form is dwarf. Friend, today we already discussed about seven characters of Mendel's and why Mendel is selected garden fee for his experiments, and 22 types of genotypes are selected by Mendel's. Friends,